What's up, you guys? Got another quick video for you guys. And what I did this time is going to be upgrading the turn signals. So if you have a Zero, a Triumph Speed Triple or Street Triple, Aprilia, I think Tuonos, and the Dorso Duros, they have the same light. They're all same manufacturer, same everything. And so do the Zeros. They come with just your standard halogen bulb, which looks just like this guy. So I wanted to replace them with LEDs. Yes, I know if I don't put in a resistor, it is going to hyper flash, because right now obviously it has the slow pattern. And when putting in LED, so I found bulbs. I'll put a link in the description in case you guys do want to see. It's an LED bulb. There you go. You can see there. And it is just the offset pin, just like the stock one. And all you got to do is remove that screw right there, standard Phillips. Lens pops off, twist it off, twist it back in. I already did it to the rear one. So this is right turn signal, left turn signal. I'm fine with the hyper flashing, but here's the hazard so you can see them both. I don't know if it comes out clear in the video. Oh yeah, it does. You can definitely see how much brighter it is. And surprisingly, with the hazards on, they flash at the correct rate, which is weird. I'm gonna see once I replace all four if it hyper flashes or not. But yeah, definitely better upgrade. And I don't care if they do hyper flash. I'd rather be seen. So I'm gonna replace it on all of them, and then I'll see if they hyper flash or not. But that's just what they look like. If you guys have any questions, just post in the comments. But I'll put a link in the description to the ones if you do want to go with these guys. So, came across one issue, you guys. I put all four in, and it looks like I will need resistors if I do want to make them all work. Because what happens if I turn on the signal, I get one flash and that's it, and they shut off. Same thing goes with hazards. Get one click and they don't. But I already tested it, and it looks like if I have one of each set as a standard halogen, then it works. So I'm gonna choose to do front regulars and the rear LEDs, because I feel that those are more important, and I do have the fog lights and LED headlights. That's really bright. It'd be harder to see the front anyways, and usually it's someone behind me that I'm trying to signal my intention to. So I'm gonna leave the back as LEDs and then the front regular ones. So just in case you did want to know, yeah, you are gonna need resistors. I thought it would work, but I'm too lazy to do resistors, so I'm just gonna do back LED, and then that works, just in case you guys wanted to know.